Ladies and gentlemen, as you can hear, you hear nothing, right? Ladies and gentlemen, we could make clear that for the light-duty distribution haulage, we are quite far. But maybe you think, well, light-duty trucks, it's easy to electrify them. Heavy-duty trucks are more difficult to electrify. I can only tell you, wait a second, because this is exactly what we started. The Premier League in distribution haulage was tackled, the heavy-duty segment, and that's why this will be exciting now, highly exciting. Will be electrifying, so to speak. We will now show you a test vehicle from Mercedes-Benz that has not existed until now. It's a vehicle with an overall weight of 26 tons. In this weight category, it's the worldwide first eTruck, 26 tons, that's more than 4 times our maximum 6-ton e-canter. So the challenge was very different for our engineers. My colleague Sven Ernst will give you the most important details on the technical side. Ladies and gentlemen, let me wrap this up. Today has a big meaning for Daimler Trucks. Electric trucks are now part of our strategy and part of our product portfolio. This day is trailblazing for the entire industry. It will usher in a new era. Trucks can drive emission-free and with a low noise in cities. At Daimler Trucks, we're looking forward to this era, and together with our customers, we will shape this new era. 120 years ago, Gottlieb Daimler, here in Stuttgart, invented the truck, and now we see the birth of the electric truck. Welcome with me, Mercedes-Benz Urban eTruck.
Hey Sven, it's incredibly quiet. Yeah, let's take a trip.